Today we're going to talk about shoes. Hello, and welcome to the ReIntroduction of You. For this year, this channel is focusing on redoing, refreshing my closet, building my wardrobe from scratch as I have started to explore more about my style, my personality, my likes and dislikes. So if you're interested in watching that journey, I suggest you subscribe. It's gonna be a good one. And then of course, I love when you like and comment and share. As the introduction said, this is all about shoes. I've always had really tricky feet. My feet are tricky because I have wide feet, I have flat feet, but then I also have really narrow heels and ankles. So it is really a huge deal for me to be able to find shoes that are comfortable, stylish. Here's the thing. I am only going to get one pair of feet in my life. To date, I have not heard of anybody getting a foot transplant. So these feet have to take me through my entire life. So I am good to my feet. I do not do discomfort. I don't do hurt. I don't do, maybe if I wear it a few times and break it in, no ma'am, no ham, and no cheese. I do not do that. So if something isn't comfortable, as soon as I slip it on, it will stay right there in the store. So it's not just a matter of finding decent quality shoes that are cute and comfortable, but then they also have to fit my wide flat feet with my narrow heels and my very little matchstick ankles. So it's always a gamble with shoes. First, I want to say that I really wasn't trying to style these outfits, so just don't pay attention to that if that's bothersome. This video is about the shoes. So the first pair of shoes that we're going to talk about here that really sets the foundation for having shoes that are going to take you through lots of seasons and reasons is this black pair of kitten heels. These are from Express of all places. I just happened to slip them on because I'm like, oh, these are cute, happen to slip them on, and they are really comfortable. I think having a pair of black heels that you can dress up or dress down is very important. I kept the heel low so that I wasn't uncomfortable. Another thing that I found or I've discovered recently, and maybe you guys knew this, but slingbacks tend to work for me better because of how small my ankles are and because of how small my heels are, because they have that elasticized back, or they have that where you can adjust the ankle, like the length of the strap of the ankle. So it just really helps to kind of keep everything together, because often I find in heels that my heel is like coming out and slipping out and everything, and that can be kind of a pain. But yeah, so I love these shoes. I left the tag on because I thought it was just kind of funny to scoot around in them. Like, gives me very 8-year-old in Kmart vibes when I used to scoot around trying on shoes and the tag was still attached. But yeah, so I love these kitten heels. The next pair of shoes that we have are these knit Oxfords from the brand Kelly and Katie. I actually had seen, I think Cole Haan has a version of these. I've seen these in a few different places and I was attracted to them, but also was like, I don't know. I tried them on in the store. These are from DSW, and I was like, oh man, these are so comfortable. I think having a pair of Oxfords is important because you can wear those with jeans, you can wear those with a skirt, you can wear those with dress pants. Like Oxfords can kind of play a versatile role in your wardrobe. I really like that these are knit because that means that they kind of mold and knit and accommodate your foot. So if you have a wider foot, they are helpful. If you have a slimmer foot, they're just fine. Maybe if you want to wear socks, a thin pair of socks one day, you don't have to worry about your shoes feeling too tight because you wore socks that day. I just feel like that, Oxfords in this knit material, like, you can't go wrong. The next shoes that you'll see here are New Balance 327s. So before I get into these shoes, I would just like to say that is me cussing everyone out for not telling me about New Balance 327s and how amazingly comfortable they are. They come in so many colors. They're super comfortable. They're super cute. And I just hate the fact that I am late to the New Balance train. Like, seriously, I am mad at y'all. I am seriously mad that y'all didn't tell me about these. But anyway, New Balance 327s, again, are incredibly comfortable. They're stylish. They come in lots of different colors. And the fact is that I actually went, and once I found out how comfortable they were, I started scouring Poshmark for more pairs and ended up buying 2 additional pair. So don't forget about New Balance 327s. These New Balance 327s, I mean, they hit the spot. So if you're out looking for a shoe, I would say try these because these are pretty dadgum good. So these are the Tory Burch Mules with the gold charm on them. I have never tried on a pair of Tory Burch shoes before, so I don't know what made me attracted to this particular shoe, but I'm like, I kind of like these. So I ended up ordering them in a 9, which ended up being too big. So I went down to an 8.5. And I really, really like these. I think these will work for jeans. I think they work for just like a little A-line skirt. I think that they will work for just a little casual dress. And because of the colors being the kind of beige and the black with the gold charm, I think that they will work with lots of different outfits. So I am happy about these, and they're incredibly comfortable. That's like the biggest thing. And sometimes I have problems with mules because I feel like that my toes are trying to like grip onto the bottom, so sometimes they're just uncomfortable, you know, because most of the time they're flat. They don't have like an arch or anything in them. So it's weird the way my foot kind of tries to like hold on to the shoes or whatever, but I didn't have that problem with these. So I would say try them out. They do come in regular leather, black, cream, brown, some other colors, but I got these in the monogram and I really like them a lot. So here are Doc Martens. So I owned several pair of Doc Martens in the last several years. A few of them I've resold. I tend to go towards the ones that aren't patent. So when I saw these with the zipper down the front, I'm like, I really can dig these. They are Doc Martens, so they are incredibly heavy, but they're also very comfortable. This is a boot that I think that you could style up casually or even just wear like a baby doll dress. I just think that Doc Martens are very versatile boots, and they're very comfortable, and there are people who have been wearing their same Doc Martens for 15 years. So I'm a big proponent fan of Doc Martens. So I would say that, you know, at least have one pair in your arsenal to take you across many different outfits if you need them. And again, they are incredibly comfortable. They're heavy, but they're comfortable.